Sean Cleans the Sea Shore by Sigal Magen. Translated by Dana G. Peleg. Yesterday I went to the sea with Sean. It was after the big storm. There were many things that were washed ashore. There was driftwood, plastic things, and some shiny objects too. Looking at them closely, Sean said, "This is really bad. These are shards of glass. Someone might get hurt. It is dangerous. We need to do something about it." "You are absolutely right," I agreed with Sean. "Let's ask the kindergarten kids, their parents, siblings, and some friends to come and give us helping hands." "Good idea," said Sean. A smile on him grew on and on. What happened later on? Turn the page and see who came to help Sean clean the shoreline of the sea.